If you're looking to build long-term wealth in the stock market, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into fundamental analysis, the essential skill for identifying strong companies with real growth potential. Forget the data hype, we're talking about smart, patient investing that can truly transform your financial future. What is fundamental analysis? So, what exactly is fundamental analysis? In simple terms, it's about evaluating a company's intrinsic value by looking at its financial health, its industry position, and the quality of its management team. Unlike technical analysis, which focuses on price charts and patterns to predict future stock movements, fundamental analysis digs deep into the why behind a company's performance. It's about understanding the entire business, its operations, its market, its leadership, not just its stock price. This approach is absolutely crucial for long-term investors aiming to pick winning stocks that can deliver sustainable growth over years, even decades. We're looking for undervalued companies with robust fundamentals that the market hasn't fully appreciated yet. The pillars of fundamental analysis. Let's break down the key pillars of fundamental analysis. 1. Financial statements. The company's report card. First up, financial statements. These are like a company's detailed report card, giving you a clear picture of its past performance and current financial standing. The income statement, also known as the profit and loss P&L statement, shows you how much profit a company is making over a period, typically a quarter or a year. Here, you'll look for consistent revenue growth, healthy gross profit margins, and strong net income. Is the company growing its top line? Is it efficiently converting sales into profit? The balance sheet is a snapshot of a company's financial health at a specific point in time. It lays out what the company owns assets, what it owes liabilities, and the owner's stake equity. You want to see manageable debt levels, ample cash reserves, and a strong equity position, which indicates a solid financial foundation. The cash flow statement reveals how cash is moving in and out of the business, from its operations, investing activities, and financing activities. This is critical because a company can look profitable on paper, but still run out of cash. Strong positive operating cash flow is often a sign of a healthy, sustainable business. You'll want to look for consistent revenue growth, healthy profit margins, manageable debt levels, and strong positive cash flow over several years. These numbers tell you if a company is truly making money and can sustain its operations and growth. Publicly available tools like Yahoo Finance, Google Finance, or the SEC EDGAR database for U.S. companies can help you access these reports easily. 2. Industry and competitive landscape. Next, we move beyond the raw numbers to the industry and competitive landscape. Is the company operating in a growing, stable, or declining industry? Understanding the broader economic and industry trends is vital. A company in a declining industry, no matter how good its financials look today, might face significant headwinds in the future. More importantly, what are its competitive advantages? Often called its moat. Just like a castle's moat protects it from invaders, a company's moat protects it from competitors. Think about companies like Apple with its incredibly strong brand loyalty and ecosystem, or Amazon with its vast logistics network and scale advantages. In e-commerce and cloud computing, other moats can include patents and proprietary technology, high switching costs for customers, or a significant cost advantage that makes it hard for competitors to match their prices. Does the company have something unique that makes it hard for rivals to catch up or even compete effectively? Identifying these durable competitive advantages is key to long-term success.